gold and silver as expected, and as we discussed in the Asia session, that below 1965 it may try to attempt and achieve 1960, the next support levels. It has gone to 61 and then now trading in a very modest range. At the same time, silver also failed to break below 2460 levels. It has gone close to 2465 and has bounced back since then. So now what to expect, which position you should trading gold and silver today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Let's start. First we look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. Look at the hourly charts of gold. Drop, retracement, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. So it is still in this bearish channel. The top of this channel is now situated somewhere here at around 67 to 70 zone. So if it achieves in this candle, it is going to be 1970. If it achieves a little later, then somewhere in between 67 to 70 zone, and hence that is going to be a critical resistance zone. Only and only if gold passes beyond 1975, we can say that it is reversed or it is reversed. Else that should be just treated as a retracement. Now if you look at, lower highs are seen on the hourly charts and higher lows are seen. It is just consolidating and hence a sell below 1960. And those who want to risk a little can buy here at 1966 or 65 zone. However, remember 68, 70 greater resistance exists at around these levels. Also the 20 and 50 period moving averages, and in fact the 100 period moving averages are now here at around 68 to 72 zone. The stochastic is oversold. The MACD is extremely divergent and bearish. This calls for a possible conversion and a little retracement. RSI is also at bottom. Coming to the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see it has formed a tail and it could break on the upside. It could try to retrace a little on the upside. How far? See, possibility exists that we may see 67-70 zone if it continues its upward movement above 1965 levels, and hence those who are buying should trade with caution here. Remember, it is still trading bearish, but only a sell entry is now limited below 1960 levels. Stochastic is oversold, MACD divergent and bearish here. RSI is also trading at bottom. Coming to 3-hour charts. Now look at 3-hour charts. The previous candle was an indecision candle. Yes, it was outside Bollinger Bands, and in fact even this candle tries to break below 1960. This is still going to remain outside the Bollinger Bands. Now look at the size of the previous candle, $5 here. And if it continues its journey on the downside, remember $5 means 1958, 57 zone is still. So on the downside, we have got extremely good support, and also there should be a pullback from the Bollinger Bands, and hence if it tries to drop till towards 1957, 58 zone, we should be cautious here. At the same time, any break beyond 1965, you can expect a little retracement and then possibility of a little rise till towards 68-70 zone exists. Stochastic oversold, MACD extremely divergent and bearish, candle size is flat and possibly it could converge. RSI at bottom, and on the 4-hour charts, if you look at similar observation on the 4-hour charts, higher lows it may try to form, take the support from the 50 period moving average, and now the complete movement might limit between the 20 and 50 period moving average, that is between 1960 and 70. Stochastic at bottom here, MACD extremely divergent and bearish, and it has still scope for it to continue with the downward momentum. RSI is still looking down, is still indicating slight bearishness. Coming to the daily charts, if you look at the daily charts here, see, first of all, it is consolidated, and since then gold is trading in this bullish channel. So remember one point, it has to break below 1940 levels on the downside in order to confirm a reversal. Till the time it stays above 1940, the chances of a rise always exist, not for the day, for the week also, and for the complete month. Also remember, see, the moving averages have crossed over here, the 20 and 50 have also crossed over here. This is a good sign, and hence this zone becomes a important support for gold in the coming sessions, that is 1940 to 1950 levels. Now if you look at, yes, it is trading in this bullish channel. It has got the support at 1960, below which only the bearishness will be seen, else the complete movement might restrict itself between 1960 to 70 levels. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is bullish, but it is trying to converge now, trying to cross over for a sell. RSI is also looking downwards. Considering those who wants to enjoy a little retracement trade can buy at 65. However, remember, it is still not bullish till the time it stays below 1970 to 73 levels. Remember the fact, it is not bullish or it is not considered for a reversal till the time it stays below 1970 to 73. Hence, if you are taking a trade at 65, you should be cautious. 68, 70 should be the very nearby targets which it should try to achieve if it stays above 65. And there it is going to get maximum resistance. Possibility of a reversal exists from there, and hence you should book your profits there or wait for it to rise further with the stop loss at your entry price. At the same time, a sell entry below 60 can be taken, but then remember 57, 56, very nearby support here. Till 54 to 57, this zone is going to remain a important and critical support level for gold, and hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at. And before we proceed to silver, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 24th batch is going to start in first week of August. Register yourself of itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's have a look at silver now. The 20 and 50 on the hourly charts have crossed over here, trading with divergence, trading with bearishness. And see the drop, retracement, drop, and now it is trying to retrace. Now reversal confirmation only if it trades about 2490 levels. About 2490 there is the possibility of a further rise, but remember 25, the nearest resistance is at 25, and then above 25 there could be further rise, but remember only till 2520. 2520 is the strongest resistance for silver here. Stochastic rising, MACD at bottom, RSI flat. Coming to the 2 on the 2 hour charts, likewise see sharp drop, retracement, and a single candle of drop here. It indicates that the bearishness getting diminished here. Yes, lower highs, lower lows, trying to trade in this channel. A buy entry about 2490 can be taken. However, the retracement should be somewhere here till towards 2505, 2510 levels. That is the maximum retracement which it can try to attempt and achieve if it stays about 2490 levels. Now see, also it has got very strong resistance, 2495, 25, 2505, 2510. Cannot avoid these resistances, and hence you have to strictly trade with a trailing stop loss. Stochastic dropping here, MACD is extremely bearish, it could converge a bit. RSI almost flat. Coming to 3 hour charts, similar observation on the 3 hour charts as well. Drop, retracement, drop, and see almost flat with the tail here. Possibly it could try to retrace a little. However, 2490 is now difficult to break past by, and even if it tries to rise, we have to wait and watch out till 2520. It can reverse any point of time, hence it is still riskier. Those who wants to scalp or take the advantage of little rise should strictly trade with the trailing stop loss. The stochastic rising from the oversold levels, MACD is still bearish, RSI almost flat. And on the 4 hour charts, now on the 4 hour chart, similar observation. See, bearishness getting diminished here. However, remember, after this retracement sign, this is the first red candle, and this is also having a tail on the downside. Hence, it could continue on the downside, but then 2460 is the nearest support here, and a very good support here at 2460. Below that, if you look at, the sky is open on the downside. You can see this white space here. This is completely achievable, and our next destination is going to be 2420 levels if it stays below 2460. Stochastic retracing, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking downwards here. Coming to the daily charts, on the daily charts as we discussed, this is the second red candle in forming here. First red candle yesterday we have seen, and if you look at still higher highs, higher lows, and hence only sell entry now I will recommend is below 2460 and a buy above 2490 levels. If for this 30 cents, do not take any trade. Stochastic dropping, MACD is in green trying to converge, RSI trading very near to the top. If you are taking a sell at 2460, 2440, 2420 are two very strong support levels. Only below 2420 we can say further bearishness. Yes, prices are divergent from the 20 period moving average. It could converge till towards these levels. You have to be cautious here. And on the upside, you can buy at 2490. However, remember, upside is very limited. In fact, even if it tries to rise at 2510, 2520, that should be the ideal level where you could enter a sell. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, before leaving the video, just press the like button, do share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead and happy weekend.